Welcome to Medicine by Chips. We have studied various models of the upper limb. So in this model, we will study the finger, metacarpal, and phalanges. So first of all, this is the metacarpal. These are the phalanges, proximal phalanx, middle phalanx, distal phalanx, middle finger. So middle finger is the third metacarpal. So this is third metacarpal. So this is the base of the third metacarpal. This is the body of the third metacarpal. This is the head of the third metacarpal. Base of the distal phalanx, body of the distal phalanx, head of the distal phalanx. Base of the middle phalanx, body of the middle phalanx, head of the middle phalanx. Base of the distal phalanx, body of the distal phalanx, head of the distal phalanx. So this is the long extensor tendon. Okay, this is the extensor expansion. Long extensor tendon, extensor expansion, extensor expansion. So these are the in 5. These are the interosseous muscle, dorsal interosseous muscle, as they are present on the dorsal side. So these are the dorsal interosseous muscle. So these are the lumbrical muscles, lumbricals. Okay, these are the lumbrical muscles. So let's recall. This is the metacarpal. This is the metacarpal of the middle finger. So this is the third metacarpal. Base of the third metacarpal, body of the third metacarpal, head of the third metacarpal. Base of the middle proximal phalanx, body of the proximal phalanx, head of the proximal phalanx. Base of the middle phalanx, body and head of the middle phalanx. Base, body and head of the distal phalanx. So these are the long extensor tendon on the dorsal side, dorsal of the hand. This is the extensor expansion. These are the lumbricals, dorsal interosseous muscle. These are the dorsal interosseous muscle, and this is the lumbrical muscle. Okay, interosseous, dorsal interosseous, lumbrical muscle. So that was all about this model. Subscribe our YouTube channel and also on the other platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Links will be at the description. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.